Hello, today's video is going to be on those super cute bleached shirts that you see online. I'm starting off on Etsy, just downloading an SVG that says super cute, tired as a mother, because I think that's my reality right now. I like the SVG. Go to your downloads, go back into design space, upload that SVG, go ahead and save it and bring it in there. We're going to resize this to the perfect size for my t-shirt on a size small. I'm going to be printing this just on COPPERCALF 651 permanent vinyl. You're just using it as a sticker basically. I go ahead and pinch right there in the center just so I can kind of eyeball. This is my own shirt, so I'm not that worried about it, but where center is. Remove your transfer tape. It's best to use a scraper tool and kind of push against, so you're pushing the vinyl to the shirt and the transfer paper is pulling away. Then I just put something in the back because I didn't want the bleach to bleed through. And then here I just put pure bleach in a spray bottle and just started spritzing. I kind of stay focused right there around the center where your image is, and then I pat it down because I don't want it to bleed underneath that vinyl, because that has happened and I will show you on the shirt in the end. That's what ended up happening. And then I kind of go from there. After I've got that nice little square around it, I kind of branch out and bleach maybe some on the sleeves, some down in the center. You can see it's all kind of starting to come through there. And then I just place it outside for 20 minutes. This is what it ended up looking at, and I thought it was going to be so cute, but as you can see, it bled through. I had too much bleach. So I tried it again. This is round 2. I had already done the vinyl, already sprayed it, and was taking off, and it looked so perfect. So I decided that the problem was with how much bleach you apply and patting it off. So try those tips and tricks. Hopefully yours turns out like the yellow one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.